Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a big question that has every EDC enthusiast, DIYer, and outdoor adventurer buzzing. Is this the greatest multi-tool of all time? From timeless classics to innovative designs, I'll be breaking down 10 incredible multi-tools to help you decide which one earns a spot in your everyday carry arsenal. Whether you're looking for reliability, innovation, or versatility, I've got you covered. Let's get started. First on the list is the Leatherman Wave Plus, a tool so iconic that it's become the gold standard for multi-tools. At just 8.5 ounces, it's compact yet brimming with functionality for any situation, from household fixes to outdoor adventures. Key features include premium replaceable wire cutters, perfect for cutting through tough materials like fencing or electrical wires. Spring action scissors, sharp and precise for cutting everything from paper to fishing lines. Saw and ruler, excellent for measuring or tackling woodworking tasks. What truly sets the Wave Plus apart is its build quality. Crafted in the USA and backed by a 25-year warranty. It's rugged, reliable, and ready for anything life throws your way. Next up is the Gerber 17-in-1 Needle Nose Pliers Multi-Tool, a true all-rounder that delivers on durability, functionality, and portability. With 17 tools, this multi-tool covers all your bases. Needle nose pliers, for precise gripping and manipulating small objects. Serrated blade and saw, built for heavy-duty cutting, whether it's rope, branches, or packaging. Slim butterfly design, makes it super compact and easy to carry in your pocket or belt. It even comes with a sturdy sheath for extra convenience. Whether you're camping, hiking, or simply tackling repairs at home, the Gerber multi-tool is ready for action. Let's talk innovation. The Leatherman Free P4 brings something entirely new to the multi-tool game. It's equipped with a magnetic locking system, meaning tools open and close smoothly without unnecessary wear and tear. Why is this a game changer? One-handed operation. Every tool can be accessed with a simple push of your thumb. 21 tools in one, including scissors, a blade, screwdrivers, and premium replaceable wire cutters. Leatherman's commitment to innovation shines through here, and of course, it's backed by their legendary 25-year warranty. For those who prioritize elegance and simplicity, the Civivi 3-in-1 pocket knife is a standout. This multi-tool includes ultra-sharp nitro vibe blade, perfect for slicing, cutting, or precision tasks. Tweezers and Toothpick, compact but incredibly useful for everyday situations. The ceramic ball bearings ensure buttery smooth opening, while the G10 handle offers a secure grip. Add a reversible pocket clip, and you've got a multi-tool that's as discreet as it is functional. The Leatherman Charge Plus TTI is the multi-tool for those who demand the best. With 19 tools packed into a sleek 4-inch frame, it's as versatile as it is durable. Highlights include titanium handles, lightweight yet incredibly strong, offering a premium feel in the hand. Cutting hook and saw, perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who need rugged functionality. Electrical crimper, a lifesaver for electrical work. Whether you're fixing something at home or tackling a tough outdoor project, the Charge Plus TTI has the tools and the durability to keep up. What makes the SOG multi-tool pocket knife unique is its patented compound leverage system, which effectively doubles the gripping power of its pliers. Other features include straight edge and serrated blades, versatile for slicing, cutting, and sawing. Black oxide coating offers corrosion resistance and a sleek, tactical look. One-handed operation, quick and efficient whether you're at work or in the field. This multi-tool is perfect for heavy-duty tasks without adding unnecessary bulk. The Fangfo 14-in-1 Multitool is designed for those who value safety and reliability. Key features include secure locking mechanism, ensures tools stay locked in place during use, reducing accidents. Lightweight and foldable design, makes it ideal for carrying in your pocket, backpack, or glove box. 14 tools in one, including screwdrivers, a saw, can opener, and more. Perfect for camping, household tasks, or quick fixes on the go. The Fix-It Sticks Ratcheting Multi-Tool takes precision tasks to the next level. Why it stands out: ratcheting T-way wrench, perfect for quick tightening and loosening, even in tight spots. Magnetic locking collar, keeps your bits securely in place during use. Compact design, lightweight and easy to carry, whether you're cycling, hunting, or tinkering with gear. With 15 included bits, this tool is a precision-focused dream for EDC enthusiasts. Meet the 22-in-1 Multipurpose tool, a multi-tool that takes versatility to a whole new level. Standout features: universal socket and chisel for creative DIYers and handymen. Hardened steel construction ensures long-lasting durability. Self-locking mechanism keeps tools securely in place during use. This multi-tool is perfect for those who need a jack-of-all-trades tool for both big and small projects. Finally, we have the Victorinox Swiss Champ, the multi-tool that started it all. With a jaw-dropping 33 functions, it's the Swiss Army knife on steroids. Highlights include magnifying glass, great for detail work or reading fine print. Corkscrew and scissors, perfect for outdoor dining or quick repairs. Swiss Precision, designed and crafted in Switzerland for unmatched quality. The Swiss Champ is more than just a multi-tool. It's a legacy item you'll cherish for years to come. So there you have it, 10 outstanding multi-tools, each offering something unique. Whether you're an adventurer, a tinkerer, or just someone who likes to be prepared, there's a multi-tool here for you. Now it's your turn. Which one do you think deserves the title of the greatest EDC multi-tool? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome gear reviews. Until next time, stay prepared and stay awesome. Outro music fades as the video ends.